रिपेअर जावन परत येतकीच लकी सेव्हनाक मांडवीत जेटीचेर सुवात दिवची म्हूण गोल्डन ग्लोबाचे यत्न चल्ल्यात. बोटीचो अंडर वॉटर सर्वे करून ती रत्नागिरी रिपेअराक व्हरूंक खंय एक आठवडो तरी लागतलो.
The court has, I think, felt relieved that the issue of the grounding of the ship is now over, that it is being floated again. It's been brought to an anchorage within the Panjim port, and that we have indicated in a week's time we will be moving it out after whatever survey or further some repairs need to be done. We will move it out to dry port in Jaigarh, where it will be prepared. And whatever inspections or anything that needs to be done to make it absolutely certain it's seaworthy and there's no likelihood of any accident, we'll bring the ship, then the ship will be allowed to come back. And
मिरामार बोटीची हालत जाल्या ती पळयल्यार त्या बोटीक मांडवीत जेटीर पार्किंग दिवंक सरकाराक निर्देश दिवंक शकना म्हूण हायकोर्टान स्पश्ट केला.
The court just said that it's important that something like this should not happen again, and we obviously are completely in agreement with the court on that. Everybody has to be, because why are we here? We are here because of Goa, and if Goa suffers, you can't possibly be happy. So it is to ensure that Goa's environment and Goa's coastline remains protected. We all are with the court in this, and we are happy that the court has taken this position.
But sir, what about the future of the Lucky 7 to be operated as casino?
That will come back, no? That future is fixed. Before the 11th of December, when I come back here again, all the things that we have to do and the captain of the port has to do will be done, and then it will come back as a casino.
लकी सेव्हनाची फुडली सुनावणी 11 डिसेंबराक दवरल्या. तो मेरेन बोटीचे कंडिशनाचो अदमास कंपनी आनी सरकाराकय येतलो म्हूण कोर्टाचो अदमास. सध्या तरी लकी 7 कसिनो बोटीची खात्री कोणूच दिना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.